Alright, this is 13264 early run lane. I've got the camera down at the tap now. That's going to be the drop that drops into the tap. Flow looks really good. We'll come back through here after we turn the water off. I just want to make sure there's no issues with the flow. So that's right at the edge of the clean out. Alright, so we got the water starting to trickle down and we're going to go back and inspect again. So there's a tiny little bit of staining on the pipe. You've got one section right here where the tree is growing into the line, restricting it. So we're going to stop and mark that. Alright, so I have this spot marked. We're going to go to the tap and we're going to mark the tap. Just because where I just marked it is literally right under a tree. So this should be our drop here. Yep. So I'm going to mark this drop in case you want to reroute the line. Alright, so I got this spot marked. I'm going to pull back.
So you can look at the toilets, you were saying, see if they're flushing okay?
Yeah, we flushed everything in the house.
Everything's flushing fine, everything's taking water. It looks good.
So it's not a problem from the toilets then, right?
No. No. I mean, no doubt that's your problem.
I'm going to hit this one spot right here. It's only a foot from the clean out. I'm going to hit that again.
You're saying the tree roots start inside?
Yeah, I'm going to go inside now. So these are the pipes under the house. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, this looks great. We already cleaned it though. combo. Tiny, itty bitty, tiny little bit of water, but I'm not even concerned with that. The camera only sits like that far off the bottom of the pipe.
Is this in the house?
This line right here we could chew up. See all this? What's been backing up on them? What bathroom?
What back? Oh, sorry.
We need to chew that up for sure. Alright, we're going to work on this section too. Alright, so I'm looking up at the bottom of a toilet right here. And we just removed, there was a ton of debris build up on the bottom of this pipe. Big mountains of it. A little bit of staining left, but all the big debris is gone. Usually we like to run the water inside to kind of flush it, but we can't get back in the house. You can see some of the remnants there. We'll put a backwards only head on and go in and get those. So I'm just flushing it. There we go. So all that big monster buildup is gone.
Got it out?
Yeah, we're good. Beautiful now. So all that was under the house, under the bathrooms. So we're pulling out towards the clean out now. All of it's gone. Alright, so I wanted to put a guard on the camera and just come back to this section here. That's where the roots are kind of pushing on the pipe. But the bottom of the pipe is on the bottom left hand side of the screen. So that would be probably at about 12 o'clock to maybe 2 or 3 o'clock. So it's in the top right hand side. See how this is beautiful and round? And then you get to right there.
Yeah. So
That's
that's the only
it.
place
Well,
that we have pipe
Only place. Everything else,
right there, huh?
yes sir. Everything else looks good. Even under the house, perfect.
Okay, okay.
And we ground out a lot of stuff way up under the bathroom, so maybe that will help. The pipes are
From
clean.
the roots are going to continue to push it though, right? So won't it get worse then
Yes.
over a period of
I think that's been doing that for a while. So I would say probably every spring is going to get worse. I don't know how much worse. All right, I'm going to conclude the video. We're back to the clean out.